Hello students, as we know in earlier video lecture, we have performed a practical of 8085 microprocessor, that is subtraction of two 8-bit number by using 8085 microprocessor trainer kit. In this video lecture, we are going to further solve a next program of 8085 microprocessor where we are going to perform a multiplication of two 8-bit number by using 8085 microprocessor trainer kit. For that purpose, we have here 8085 trainer kit. By using this trainer kit, we are going to perform a multiplication of two 8-bit number. So watch this video carefully to understand this program. Thank you. Hello students, in this video lecture we are going to perform a next practical of 8085 microprocessor. In this practical we are going to perform a multiplication of two 8-bit number by using 8085 trainer kit. For that we are going to write an assembly program, and according to that assembly program we are going to write opcodes on different address location. For that purpose, here we have an assembly program for doing a multiplication of two 8-bit number. So this is nothing but the program for that. We used to call that mnemonics and operands. After that, here we have opcodes according to the each assembly language instruction. Here we have opcodes there, and we have a different address location where we have to write these opcodes. Okay, so for that we first have to provide operand. So how to provide the operand? For that purpose we first have to select the memory locations. Okay, so we are going to start writing the program. Enter the program from 2000 location using your real examine key. After that, enter the multiplication data 02 at location 2100H, and after that write 00H data at location 2101H. After that, provide a second input, that is enter the multiplier data 03H at location 2102. Why we have selected a two address location for writing 02H? Because maybe the data is what going to be the 16-bit. For that purpose we have to select the two address locations. Okay, now to execute the program we have to execute it from the address location 2000, and ultimately the result of a program is what going to get stored at 2103H location and 00H at 2104H. Maybe the multiplication, after multiplication the output is going to be a 16-bit. For that purpose, maybe the output is in 16-bit. For that purpose we have to store the data into two different register. Because of that we have choose a two address locations here for storing the data. Now we have to start writing the opcodes at a different location, that is what given here. At this address locations we have to write these opcodes. So without wasting any time, we are going to start execution of this program, which is multiplication of two 8-bit number. Now we have to execute the program by using this 8085 microprocessor trainer kit. So we are going to start executing it by pressing a reset button. After that, what we have to do first, we have to provide an operand at a different address location. So first operand is what we are going to store at an address location, that is 210. Sorry, for that we have to press a real examine here, reset. After that real examine and press 2100, and at this address location we have to provide a first operand, that is 02. After that, at second address location we have to provide a 00. Then press MEMC next. At this address location, that is 2102, we have to provide a second operand. Maybe we are considering it as a 03. And then press MEMC next. Now at this address location we have to get the output. So press 00, and at next address location press 00. Then press MEMC next and press reset. Now what we did here, we have provided a operand, that is an input data for doing a multiplication. Okay, now we have to start writing the program from different address locations. So first address location is what there, that is 2000. For that, press reset again. press real examine. After that, write the address location, that is 2000, and press MEMC next. Okay, now first opcode is 21, then press MEMC next. At this address location we have to write a opcode, that is 02, then press MEMC next. Then next opcode is 21, then press MEMC next. We have to enter next opcode, that is 46, press MEMC next again. After that, next opcode is 11 and press MEMC next. At this address location we have to provide opcode 00, press MEMC next again. Next opcode value is, that is 00, then again MEMC next. Here we have to write a 2A as an opcode. So 2A is an opcode, then MEMC next again. Then we have to write a 00 at this address location. After that, 21 is what the opcode here. Press it and then press again MEMC next. Then next opcode is EB. So press EB, then press MEMC next. Then 1E is what the next opcode. Sorry. Yes, 19 is what the, 19 is what the next opcode. After that, press MEMC next. Then 05 is the next opcode. After that, press MEMC next. Then next opcode is C2. Press MEMC next again. Then 0B is the next opcode. Then next opcode is 20. After that, press MEMC next again. Then next opcode is 22. Then press MEMC next. Then press 03 again, MEMC next. And next opcode is 21. Then press MEMC next. And the last opcode of this written at 2013, that is EF. Okay, so these are the multiple opcodes we have written on a different address location, starting from 2000 and ended at 2013 with EF opcode. Okay, now press MEMC next again and press reset. So we have written the codes here, we have provided the operands here, we have provided the inputs with it. Now it's time to execute the program for checking the output. For that purpose, we have to press a go button. Press go. After that, from which address location we have started writing the codes, we have to enter that address location, that is 2000, and press dot field to execute the program. Now your program is what get executed. Now press reset. As we know, we have provided the operand. After providing that operand, we have written the code for executing it and we have executed it. Now it's time to check the output at a different address location. For that, we have address location 2103 and 2104. Maybe the address is in 16-bit. Then we have to check it on both registers or both address locations. Okay. So first address location we have to check, that is real examine 2103. So press MEMC next. Output is 06. Why 06? 3 into 2 is what? 06. And at the next address location, we are going to get a 00. So press MEMC next. We are going to get a 00. So multiplication of 2 and 3 is what? Ultimately 06. So we can perform a next multiplication.